Hey guys, this is Saturday, November 11th, and we have just, me and my wife decided to take a little date, and we went to a place called Crown Winery, and guys, it was outstanding. The wine there was unbelievable. We had a great experience, and just to show you guys, we enjoyed the wine so much, we bought a crap ton of it. West Tennessee area. It's about an hour and a half drive. You can go to Crown Winery and book a tour, a tasting and a tour. The tour was outstanding. The wine itself. Yes! So when you come in, I think they let you try the Tiara. And it's a wonderful, like it's an outstanding story behind how the winery became Crown Winery, why it was named that, and why this particular wine is named Tiara. And it's kind of like all their wine has a like royal feel behind it. But guys, if you have a date night, me and my beautiful wife decided to just have a date night, and we truly enjoyed ourselves. So if you are looking to go out and relax and have some fun, a group of you guys, or just you and your special person, you guys can also try Crown Winery. Just go online and book and enjoy.
I could picture she was laying there, moonlight dancing off her hair. She woke up and took me by the hand. She's gonna love me in my Chevy van. That's all right with me. Her young face, like an some days we might fall asleep. Some nights might feel cold and long. Heart will go.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Something.
Santé.